Mago Essential is a very compact, powerful, and safe device for presenting content and screens, both wirelessly and with an HDMI cable. Both employees and guests will no longer have to struggle to present their content on the monitor and in the meeting rooms. Mago Essential supports not only cable connections, but also the main wireless screen sharing protocols such as Miracast, Airplay, and Google Cast. For guests, we've added Magolink, a mode that allows them to present their content via a browser or QR code, using their mobile phone, regardless of the network or internet connection. To share your content, all you need to do is follow the instructions displayed on the screen. The exceptional performance of the software allows for the simultaneous presentation of up to 4 devices on the same screen, in a side-by-side mode. Reverse touch is also supported on compatible Windows and Android devices. Mago Essential is the only product that guarantees streaming video performance without latency or interruption. Even 4K or 8K content is played back faithfully on the screen with synchronized audio and video. The device can be connected directly to a monitor, projector, or LED wall, or it can be used to enhance the sharing experience in existing systems like Microsoft Teams Rooms or Zoom Rooms. There's a wireless BYOM kit available that allows you to capture the devices connected in the room, such as video bars, simply by plugging in a USB dongle and without needing to install any drivers on your laptop. All you need to do is wait for the LED on the dongle to turn green, and you'll be able to use the video bar in your Teams or Zoom meetings